with James Aguilar of the 3D team in Keller Williams? Hi, this is Ann and Sam. They are selling their home. Any real estate agent will be able to sell it. Yikes! So many realtors to choose from, including friends and neighbors. While interviewing realtors, Ann and Sam met James Aguilar of the 3D team in Keller Williams. James uses all visual technologies available in marketing real estate. For any listings, he offers a 3D interactive virtual tour. He scans the interior of your home, then creates a 3D dollhouse model and 2D floor plans that allow viewers to experience every space, room by room, floor by floor. Like a video game, he converts it to a virtual reality or VR. This is the most immersive way to showcase a property using a Samsung headset. It makes agents and buyers feel like they are there. With a drone, he prepares aerial and exterior videos, flying as far as 3 miles, then showcasing your neighborhood, downtown, and any place of interest up to 100 miles through Google Earth. He then takes interior videos and professional photography and organizes everything in a custom website, great for the MLS, any website including his, and to share on social media. The 3D team enables a 24/7 open house for buyers to pre-tour before making an appointment. It's a get-there-before-you-go virtual experience for local and even across-town buyers, plus pre-qualified buyers doing actual walkthrough. For buyers, 95% more likely to call and 300% more engaged. For Ann and Sam, which agent is now an easy decision? To help sell your home faster and for the most money with less stress, get all the technologies in selling a home for free when you list your home for sale with James Aguilar of the 3D team and Keller Williams Realty.